What's going on, y'all? So this is a hunt that took place last duck season. This was Matt, Steve, and Amber. They went out and smashed them. Their shooting was on point. I know you guys ain't seen a video in a while, and it's not that we're quitting YouTube or anything like that. I just kind of took a break throughout the summer. Ain't been fishing, ain't been doing much of nothing. Spending time with the family. That's it. Strictly spending time with the family over the summer. But we are weeks away from Georgia duck season starting back up. We got dove season coming up, goose season coming up. Then we got early teal season coming up. We've been doing some scouting, riding around, a little bit here and there, not a whole lot. Not looking fire yet for opening day, but we'll see. You never know. We've been holding on to this video for a while. Finally took the time, edited it up, and I figured right now would be a great time to post it up, get all you guys fired up. We're just a handful of subscribers away from 6,000 and just a few thousand views away from 1 million views on the channel. So y'all make sure y'all hit the like button. That way we can get some boost in this algorithm, get growing again. Y'all enjoy the hunt. Here they come. Go.
Dead. Red. Dead. Red. I can't tell. I could only shoot that one that fell.
Dude, I had to call them because if they'd have came in from that way, I wouldn't have been able to shoot.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah.
Kill.
Kill. Good shot.
Kill.
Dead.
Get your ass down, boy. You get back there.
I'm having trouble throwing this blind.
I think I had the little kill 'em advantage, right?
Nah, I wasn't gonna shoot unless you missed. We just need that. Oh, right here on the right, right here on the right. I'm gonna have to kill him. Kill him. Dead. Good shooting, y'all. Dead. Good shooting, y'all. That was pretty good.
Shooting. We wounded the last one. I mean, I fucking folded that one and instantly got on that other one. But he was too damn fast.
Bluebill's 100%.
All 3 drakes, I'm pretty sure.
Mark.
Regular bluebill.
Dead. Alright, well that's it. We got it done this morning. We did our homework. We scouted these ducks yesterday. They was in there. We didn't take some shots because they was just passing by swinging us, but I think we did good by not taking those shots. We only shot the close ducks and we turned out pretty good.
Shot really good.
Yeah. I don't even know if I ever missed. I think I hit it. That mallard, yeah.
Out of the ones that we shot in the spread, only one got away.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
we did good.
And the mallards, the one Drake came right in, and the other 3 that was with him just kind of stayed out because they were sketched out. But we didn't see many ducks. The ducks aren't really here right now, but the ones we did see came in. So I'll show y'all these ducks. 2 bluebills. It's actually greater bluebills. They ain't less than just the big ones. Old Drake mallard. We don't get to see that here in Georgia much. Ringneck Drake, ringneck hen, and a ruddy duck.